Which Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers brand is best? When it comes to Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers, brands matter. Brands offer safety and reduce the risk of disappointment. Higher quality brand spacers pay off big time in terms of reliability. This is especially critical when you frequently go off-roading. High-quality Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers bring a level of reliability that also reduces maintenance costs. Real Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers from reputable companies are always the safest option. Companies that provide quality, well-made Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers invest a healthy sum in designing and testing their products. Years of research and development make their Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers safer and more reliable. Years of research and development make their Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers safer and more reliable. So, general brand Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are exceptionally safe for daily driving and off-roading. It is proven that as long as you use high-quality Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers and install them properly, there will be no safety issues. BONOSS brand Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers strive to maintain top quality and the best user experience. Designed with longevity and consumer safety in mind, BONOSS promise and income promises fit, finish, and level of quality. In addition, bloxsport active cooling Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These rules allow this thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. In order to distinguish the real BONOSS Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers and protect consumer interest, BONOSS has built a complete integrated system. When you get BONOSS Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers, check the code on the package to compare these numbers with BONOSS official store database. If you don't match, they are not general BONOSS products. It is always good to use general brand Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers. Each BONOSS general wheel spacer is BONOSS engraved. These Toyota Tacoma wheel spacers are made in BONOSS own factory, so the quality is well guaranteed.